In today's presentation, we'll be showing how to remove a broken bolt or stud. Although we're using a Suzuki Samurai transfer case, this process could also apply to many other applications. Begin by placing the washer over the broken bolt. The washer inside diameter should be equal to the bolt outside diameter. The washer outside diameter should be as large as possible. Weld the washer to the bolt. Place a nut on the washer. The inside diameter of the nut should be equal to the outside diameter or thread size of the broken bolt. Weld the nut to the washer in at least 6 places. Ensure that the welds do not extend more than halfway up the nut, leaving enough room for a wrench or socket. Then weld the inside of the nut to the bolt. Using the appropriate size wrench or socket, turn the nut in a counterclockwise direction. That concludes today's presentation. We hope these instructions have been helpful. Join us again soon for another low-range off-road tech tip video.